So hey all, we're going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial today, and this is using the Ucanbe Exotic Flavors palette. This is going to be a very monochromatic look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and let's get started. So this is the look that we're going to be making, which is kind of a half cut crease look, and it looks really pretty and very girlish. So let's get started. So for starters, we're just gonna like tap on a lid and remove any creasing from the eyeshadow primer. So give it like a good press and the creases would kind of go away. And once that's done, we're gonna use our eyelash curler. This is the Vega one. I don't really have another eyelash curler. So we're gonna use the same one for all the looks. So let's just give it about like 8 to 9 pumps of it, and it's gonna help with just lifting your lashes. So we're gonna be using the Sigma E42 Precision Firm Blender brush, which is like a really small blending brush, and we're gonna take this like very neon-y pink tone, and we're going to directly jump into our crease. So make sure that when you add the product that it is seen even if you open your eyes, especially for hooded eyes. And yeah, like I mean, this kind of helps to like know the placement of your eyeshadow. So just apply it all along your crease till the inner corner and curve it when you're going towards the outer corner, because we're going to add a wing liner. So you want your wing liners to extend out beyond your your eyeshadow. It just kind of makes your wing liner stand out a little better. So we're just going to pack it all very close to our lid. So once you're done, like just applying your pink eyeshadow, so just give this a good press and pat it on the lid, because it's a very like light tone. So we're going to use a color which is like even more lighter than that pink, and we're going to start to like just fluff out, sorry, not fluff out, buff out the edges. So we're going to use this like an even more lighter, very pastely baby pink tone. I don't even think it's a pink, so it's kind of like a whitish tone. So we're going to start, like just start to buff out that other pink's edges. And I really don't know how to describe these pinks to you. So we're just going to buff it out. And yeah, like, just make sure that there are no harsh edges. So we're going to use the P. Lewis eyeshadow base, and we're going to take our favorite cut crease brush, and we're just going to start from the inner corner and take it all the way till 2/3 of your eye. And then we're going to pat the same base all over the lid, because we're going to be using eyeshadows on the lid too. So once that's done, we're just going to use the same eyeshadow and we're going to press it on the edges, and we're going to slightly take it towards the inner corner. So let's change the color theory of the look, and we're going to use a little bit of black eyeliner. So I'm going to make it a very elongated winged liner. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So just be precise and then just go for it, and you'll just get it when you're doing it. So make sure it's very thin towards the inner corner, and it's more like thicker and elongated towards the outer corner. So we are going to be putting a little bit of glitter upon this. So this is a purpley pressed glitter which is in the palette itself. So we're just going to press it upon the liner in the middle part of it. Kind of gives a very good reflex. So this brush is just like a very random brush, so please don't ask me from where I got it. So once that's done, we're going to use a little bit of sugar kohl pencil, and we're going to go into our waterline, which I hate doing, and I think we've done this successfully today. So once that's done, we're going to slightly smudge it out with the Vichy eyeshadow brush, and we're going to after that use a little bit of like an Innisfree brush for adding a little bit of pink in your lower lash line, just to just complete and kind of blend it all into our skin. So just give it a good blend and throw on a little bit of mascara. So go for about 2 to 3 coats of mascara, and once that's done, we're going to use a little bit of false lashes as always. So this is the Colourpop Mammy lashes, and we're going to throw that on, and this completes the look series. And I'm going to be posting like the review of the palette soon, so make sure you watch that one too. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye.